Hello everyone, welcome back to Growing with the Gold in the fantastic Blue Lake Royal Gold food production greenhouses. So we've been showing the successional planting through the season. We're really happy to get this first kind of spring, early summer run out of the beds. We've had fantastic bumper harvests. We just got our last cabbages and broccolis and carrots and beets and all sorts of stuff out of these beds. So we're gonna re-amend and replant with some slightly more tolerant plants for the hotter weather. So we got some worm castings here. These Royal Gold worm castings, absolutely an incredible product. Super high quality casting at a nice low price. This is an affordable way to add some biology, add some nutrition, revitalize all of your garden beds, whether it's the end of last season, mid-season when you're changing crops over, anything like that. It's also a great top dress if you notice things are just starting to kind of slow down a little bit. Just a handful of these worm castings right at the base of the plants, even in containers, is a great way to add some extra vibrancy and vigor back to that soil, get that biology kicking along and really feeding the plants any nutrient that is left in your soil. So we're going to start with that. We've got some Crown Jewels all purpose. We got some Crown Jewels Grow to get that little bit of extra nitrogen level up for that stretch, vegetative growth, kind of get things established before they really start fruiting and flowering. And we're going to, just for good measure, throw one more bag of our planting mix. This bed started as planting mix. We're going to add a little bit more just to kind of refresh it, give it some extra life. I love to add a little bit of extra soil every time you re-amend the bed so that you continue through the years to get fresh organic matter that's going to continue to break down and provide, again, just such a great home for those microbes, good food sources, things like that, to keep your soil health really in line and in balance for optimum garden performance. So we'll get this stuff in here and mixed up. Check in with us in a few minutes and we'll show you what else we got going on. All right, we got our worm castings layered in, topped that with the Crown Jewels, both Grow and Bloom, probably about 2 pounds of each. Just a little bit of a spritz to kind of bring that nutrient back up, and then topped it off with another layer of planting mix. We're gonna get this all raked in, mixed in pretty well, and watered in, give it a day or two. Come back, check in with us again next time to see what makes Royal Gold the gold standard in gardening and what next crops are gonna go in these beds. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.